Test. Ouch. Hi, Purple Ninja. Hi, Kainems. Welcome to the stream. Whoa, it's a voice very loud here. Okay. Test. Okay, it's even louder now. Gonna adjust the audio here. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna prep a few things first before I start the stream. So, hang tight. Okay. Got the Paint YouTuber software started. Right. Test. Okay, gotta adjust the sensitivity here. Right. Next is the chat. Alright. Okay, gotta test the chat here. Test from YouTube. There you go. Now test from Twitch. Nice. Alright. Everything is set. So let's start the stream. Right. Okay. Hello there. Welcome to another stream. Okay. I got one question about the NRIG. Does it work on Banner 5.0? Well, the MCS2 version should work on 5.0, but some stuff might be broken, like the rig UI, for example. I got a lot of people reporting that the rig UI is broken in 5.0. But you can still use the rest of the rig just fine. Yeah. Let me check actually. If I remember, the rig should still work just fine in 5.0. It's just that the rig UI is the one that's broken. Well, not completely. You can still use the rig UI. It's just that the dashboard setting doesn't work. Okay, let's see. And rig. Oops, the wrong folder. And rig. Release. MCS base. MCS2. MC preset. There you go. Okay, let me check. Okay, it should work on 5.0 just fine here. It's just that when you want to change setting, you need to use the properties bound. Let me open it on the second workspace here. There you go. If you want to change setting, you need to do it manually on the custom properties within the properties bound. Like here, for example, you want to change all the settings here, or each individual limb here, or the facials here. Yeah, that's about it. You can still use it without the rig UI. The only reason why I make the rig UI is to make it easier to change settings, so you don't have to go to each properties bound. Instead, all of the settings available on the sidebar there. So far, just the rig UI are broken. Yeah, the rig UI doesn't work. That's okay. At least the custom property still work. Yeah. Hi Kafsi, welcome to the stream. What did I miss? Not much. I'm just starting the stream, so there's nothing you miss. I can change the IKFK mode there. Yeah, on each limb here, there's an IKFK switch there for changing the mode. Like so. There's also, if I remember, no, not in this one. In MCS2, if you want to change the bone, you need to also enable the bone manually here. So yeah, that's a thing that is fixed in the new rig I'm currently working on, MCS3, but in MCS2 you need to enable it manually. So if you switch to FK, for example, you need to enable the FK bone as well. Like, no, that's R. No, that's L. There you go. You need to enable it manually, like so. In MCS3, it's no longer a problem as each bone collection here has its own drivers. So when you switch to another mode, it will automatically switch to a different set. And if you need to see all of the bone, there's a setting in here that will override the driver, so it will show everything. Let me open it here. Open, don't save. And rig, release, MCS base, MCS 3, default. There you go. What? I can use the require here. Here, there's this setting here, FKK bone override. When enabled, it will show all the bones, including the extras bone. In case if you want to like snap the bones here, like I want to snap the FK bone here to the IK, I could just copy the position here and paste it there. Copy it, paste it there. Copy, paste, and there you go. Now if you switch the IKK mode, it should be at the same position, like so. There, oh, not this one. There, the IK no longer works. Now the IK also works again. Oh yeah. Rig UI is very broken for the rigs. Okay, got it. Just use custom properties is safe. Yeah, the rig UI is just an add-on. Well, not an add-on like the one you install. It's just an additional thing that I add for the rig that makes it easier for you to change setting, but you don't really need it. The rig can work just fine without the rig UI. In fact, you could just delete this and the rig will just work. I know what the ID does. Oh, I thought you talk about the rig ID here. So this is a system I set, so each rig UI only works on specific rig. That way you can have different rig UI for different rig. So in this case, this is a default rig UI, so it only shows the setting for this default preset. And if I change setting to something else, don't save, like a simple reset here, as you can see, it shows different setting. For how it works, it's this part of the code. I don't really understand how it works actually, because this is actually from another rig. I just copy it and paste it here. So yeah, I don't really understand most of the code here. I only understand that this will like enable or disable the rig UI based if it has a custom properties name rig ID and the value is the same. Okay, maybe I could better understand it later in the future. It's more safe. You don't have to go your way to fix it something wrong. Yeah. It's just that you need to go to each bone to change the setting. So with the Ricky Y, everything is available on the sidebar here, including the bone collection here. So you don't have to go to the armature and then you go to each bone collection here. You can just enable and disable it from here. Where do the custom properties? Because my Blender is German, so I need the position, never use it. The custom properties is available either on the bone custom properties here or on the sidebar on item properties here. You need to select the properties bone, or in MCS3 here is the settings bone, and there the custom properties should be available here or here. Fine, sorry with typo, no problem. All right, let's start working then. Today I will be working on another render project as usual, and then maybe I will work on stream overlay as well, because I want to update my stream overlay. Not like a major update, I just need to update a few things, and then I will play Hytale. All right. Ouch. Let's start then. It's just another post-experiment render here, where I took a reference image and then I try to recreate the pose. In this case, I use two references actually. I use this main reference and then this additional reference for the arm here, because the character doesn't have any head, so I try to improvise and use a different pose for the hand. Yeah. Alright. What I'm gonna do now is to light the character. I'll start with an area lamp here, area light. I want to light the gun separately, so I'm gonna use a light linking, LLG, car. So this light will only show up, will only light the character. Put the Walker mesh there. There we go. There's still bounce light, but at least most of the light aren't casting on the gun. Okay. I want to adjust this. Actually, car, no head, because I don't want the head to get illuminated. So gonna actually, let's just select the body here. Find it, thanks. The only problem is the user find it hard using. Sometimes you just have to go through it. Yeah. With the custom properties, you need to manually select the bones, the setting that you want. Okay. The suspender should be in here. Yep, there you go. That should be all. I'll just select the light, put it here. There you go. The light only light the main body. I'm gonna duplicate this, move it to the side, remove this. This one to be LLG R head. Okay, this one I think I should call it body only. or body no head. Or just body. Make it simple. Because this one is called head. This team is so silly. Okay, that's all. Just need to select this and put it here. There you go. Looks good, your project. Thanks. I found a way to sort custom properties in different categories. Probably too smart with Blender lol. Really? You can like create categories with custom property? How? Because custom properties are only a single list. Like so. Do you use like another custom properties to create segments, perhaps? Okay, need this to be closer. There you go. I want it to have a fall off. So instead of like full lighting like this, I want that it lights this side and then gets darker to the other side. Okay. That's one. I need to create another for the main body. Let's scale it up. There we go. Don't want this to be too strong. There you go. I think the lighting looks pretty good. Create another light. This time it's for all, so we're all besides the gun. So light LG R. Let's put the whole mesh here. This will be the backlight. So we need to be quite strong. Okay, let's see. All right. Gonna add one for the head. All right. I use another custom properties to separate categories so it's easier to read. Ah, yeah. So it's kind of like how people used to use like an input in like a node group to separate it into segments. That's before Blender added panels. You already saw the signature set you taper bridge deformance setting? No, I haven't checked that yet. One thing about those lights, when you make them smaller, the light lights a smaller area, so I understand it correctly. Yeah, it also makes the shadow sharper if you make the lights smaller. Like if you make it bigger, it becomes softer, both the light and the shadow. But if you make it smaller, the light and the shadow becomes much sharper. I've added the custom. I've updated the custom property settings now, where I sorted based on each limb, like arm and leg. Like make a different segments for arm and leg, or use different bones for arm and leg. Like me, for example, I have different bones for each limbs. So each limb has its own cutting bone here. That way, the main setting here won't be so cluttered with all sort of setting, all sort of custom properties. I sent a screenshot a long time ago. Ah, that one. No, it's just like an arm. Oh, that's a different one. I thought it was the taper thing. Okay, let's start lighting the gun then. Add a new light. And this one, new light link, LG, gun. There we go. LG gun. Put it here. There we go. Now this light only light the gun model. There we go. One more. This one will be the backlight. Nice. Okay, hold on. I feel like it's best if I disable this, because this one will light the neck here, make it like merge together. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna disable that. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. I mean, it's just a simple render, and I don't really need complicated lighting. So let's continue with the compositing. I need to first append the node that I always use. So there we go. CNG contrast, and then exposure, hue saturation, and of course tune image and correction. There we go. Gonna save incremental. Right, let's start by adding more exposure. 0.5 maybe, and increasing the contrast. Let's see. nice. Much more contrasty. Okay, I need to check my previous render. Okay, it looks good. I need to see the whole thing. It's a bit too much here. Oh, it's a table bulge one. Oh, that one. I updated it now. I'll send it. Nice. I'll check it out later. Increase the contrast a bit. Whoa, that looked quite cool actually. Okay. Okay, now I wonder if I could okay, let me experiment with this. Gonna enable crypto matte, but that means I won't be able to see it here. So need to use the Vero node. Set this to just 1 second. Render image. There you go. Gonna duplicate this. Add the crypto matte. Plug this here. Now I can select the hair. There you go. It shows the hair only. Plug this here. Gonna increase the contrast with this one. Now we use alpha over, plug it here. This will be the background, this will be the foreground. Now if we disable this, nice. Let's rearrange this so much cleaner. And there we go. That's the render. Though it's not over yet because I want to create a render a shadow layer that I could add later in game. So let's save this first. Let's disable this. Create a new collection. Call it MC main. Another collection. MC shadow. Create a plane. Make it huge. And then add a sun lamp. Or maybe I could just use a spotlight. Right, need it to be very strong. 500. Just set the plane here as shadow catcher. There we go. Wait. Oh, that's because the angle is too small. Need to make it bigger. Plus, I need to duplicate this. This will be the indirect collection. So the meshes in this one will not show. Let me see. Yeah, will not show in render. I need to disable this. There we go. Actually, no, I don't need that because then I will need to. Could just do it manually later. There. Okay, I think this looks good. A few more adjustment, maybe. Nah, I think this is good. Right. Let's disable this for now and render the main render. Or check it here. We could see. Let's make it proper, or maybe just 1 minute. sent it. Nice. I'll check it later. Back from Amos. Hey there. Welcome back. Okay. Render is done. Let's save this. Was off 4-2. Save as. There you go. Oh yeah, if you're wondering, I'm eating gum here. So there's this store not too far from my place. I don't know what's called in English. It's called okay, yeah. Let me translate it here. A wholesale store. Yeah. There's a wholesale store not too far from my place, and it sells a bunch of stuff. Mostly snacks and like those sachet drink. And I bought like a whole tub of it. Not can, it's made of plastic. But yeah, a bunch of like those gumball thing. Let me show. No, not gumball that. Gumball candy. Yeah, something like this. I bought this gumball candy. Though it's not like an actual gumball candy. It's like a cheap made one. Yeah, like this one. Not like a proper gumball candy that you usually see in like a... Where is it? I used to find this in arcades when I was young. When I see it, I always want to buy one, but my mom forbid me. But yeah, it's really good. But nowadays, I'm unable. Oh wait, I forgot to show it here. You cannot see it here. I need to open it in Firefox. Yeah, this thing, this gumball candy. Okay, got the main render done. Next, I will render the shadow layer. For this, I will set this to indirect, indirect. There you go. Now it will only render the shadow. Just check it. It's just one screenshot. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna finish this render first. Okay, it's done. Gonna save this. Goes off 4-2 shadow. Let's renable. Just disable the indirect. Okay, saved it. Ah, you use what is it? Boolean setting to segment the custom properties. Interesting. So it does feel cluttered here. Like there's so many settings. That's why I use different bones for different setting. Like the limbs has its own setting bones, so the main setting are not cluttered like this. But still, that's interesting. All right, render is done. Now I'm gonna continue with game. This is customization, not a bone setting. For customization. Why IKFK difficult to manipulate? I think the BPS rig is very easy to me. Using BPS rig. What do you mean? You mean the setting or the like FKFK controls? The former customization needs to be like that if you want more customization. I don't know. Or maybe it's just because how you name it that makes it confusing for me. Like here BLG BA torso, BLG B torso, BLG C leg, like makes it difficult to understand at a quick glance like what this setting does. For me, I prefer to name it something that when you read you can easily understand. Oh, this does this does that, like L taper or taper like L, or bulge torso, bulge arm R, something like that. So when you quickly see it, you understand, this does this, instead of needing to like think a bit when you see it, like TPR C1 TP leg.L, like what it does. I mean, once you're used with the rig, yeah, it's easy. But for people, especially when you just started using the rig, it makes it confusing. At least for me, that's what I think. Yeah, I can control. What's difficult to manipulate? Because for me, well, IK is sometimes difficult to manipulate. That's why I use FK sometimes when posing. Okay, where's the game? There you go. Add new layer. There you go. Open layer, shadow, duplicate this, duplicate, continue, duplicate. There you go. Gonna merge all this down. Okay, I need to open my previous project so I can see how the shadow is set with that one. Okay, I need to create a new layer group. Put it here. There you go. the shadow should be 50 here. Then I'm gonna create a new layer. Set the color to black. I'm gonna paint a gradient. Oh, hold on, I need to change this to erase first. Oh, hold on. Set this to transparent first. There you go. Then to fix the banding issue, I need to add a spread filter. Wait, which one here? Okay, on the gradient. Okay, where is it? There you go, noise spread. Here we go. Now there's no longer the banding issue. So you look closely here. Here without the spread. Here with the spread. So I think it's a bit too strong. I'm gonna get it like so. There you go. Nice. Now I can adjust the character here. Exposure. Point 3. Okay, let's see. Nice. And maybe saturation. Let's see. No, I think keeping it like this is good. Now I wonder if it would look better like this. No, let's just keep it original. Okay. Finally, let's add a watermark. And there you go. Render is done. I'm just gonna have to save it. And there you go. Now one more thing before I continue to another project to work on. I need to make the wireframe render. So I'm gonna return to this. You can look at it first and understand it. You need to mess around with it. Can you show how you move or rotate hand or leg movement in pose mode? Can't really do much with this. The limitation to custom properties in Blender is the best thing I can do. If you want more customization, you will have more setting. Track your Makoto rig, but Metabridge is difficult. When you understand it or not, you have to mess around with it. You can just look at it and understand. That's you get a new language and you don't understand, you try to understand it. Well, if you wonder how I manipulate the rig, well, I just play around with it. Okay, let me do a quick posing here as an example to use the here it is it's in IK mode. So if I want to adjust the arm, for example, I could just manually like so. One thing you need to keep an eye out is the pole here, because this will dictate where the elbow here will point. And to manipulate this, you can either rotate the IK control, which will also move this, or manually move the pole here. Here I'm just gonna rotate this. Then you can also move this part. There we go. Actually, this is a quite interesting pose here. But yeah, you get the idea. You just move and then rotate the main control here as well as this one to like set the pose. And then also adjust the pole here. For FK mode, that one is even simpler. With the downside is that you need to adjust each segment manually. So if I set this to FK, just need to rotate the control and move. With the thigh here, you can move it, but for the like knee or the shin and my new rig, the ankle here, you can only rotate it. But yeah, this one is a lot more limited in terms of movement because you need to adjust everything manually. Much difficult, but it also gives you most control. Because this one is sometimes a bit difficult to get the pose you want, like you see here. Yeah, you can see here. It's a bit difficult to set sometimes. So what to use depends on how you're gonna tackle your posing or your animation. Oh, this is actually a really cool pose here. So like Thomas is jumping like yeah, yeah. Might as well make it the pose like it's a bit. Look at that. Oh, this is actually a quite cool pose here. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, not gonna save this, but I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because this is cool. Here you go. How to enable IK like you just do? Well, two ways. If you have the rig UI, you can enable it from there. And this is a different rig UI for different rig here. Or you could also use the setting bone here, where if you want to change the IKFK, you can select the bone here, setting bone, then go to bone, custom properties, and change it here. Or you could just change it here as well. Here. There you go. Alright. Let's do what we came here, which is to render the wireframe. First, we need to set this to standard. Then disable all of this. Go to object, enable wireframe. Need to delete this so it doesn't cause any issue. I'm gonna adjust this with the eye depth. There you go. Wireframe nice and clean for the face there. I'm gonna render. Save this as wire. Alright, done save. Back to game. Open the layer. Now I need to get the gum out of my mouth first. Right, let's import the wireframe there. Disable the main render and shadow. Just the exposure here. There we go. Now export it as wireframe. And there we go. Render is done. Let's check the result in Firefox here. Alright, so here's the final result with the wireframe here. There you go. What do you think? I feel like this arm is still a bit like too bright. That's kind of blend with the face here. Or maybe like these fingers here. I can really see this segment compared to this one where the shadow here make it easier to see like each individual finger. But still, I think overall it looks quite good. I mean, it's just a simple render, so yeah. I mean, I got another render that I want to make. That one is for later time. Thanks, no problem. All right, that's set. Next, let's continue with the stream overlay here. Okay, where is it? Overlay. There you go. Ouch. Let's open game again. There you go. So this is the overlay I use for the stream here. So everything you see in the stream here, like the music player, the media player, and all those are made from here. So if I enable let's disable this. Enable this. Here, this is the break time overlay. Here's the media player for the stream saver. Here's the music player. And then here's the taskbar, the chat, camera, and so on. Now, what I'm gonna do is pretty simple. I want to update the border because with the old setup I have, the border here has this like gradient that makes it difficult for me to make each overlay. So instead, I want to make it simpler so that in only one color. Nothing too crazy here. Just need to update the border here, so it's not gradient like so. Set a single color like this one here. The bottom and the top color is the same. All right. Okay, we gotta manually select this. There we go. Now the bottom one. There you go. Also want to update this. Shift this part a bit. First I need to merge this down. Select all of this, paste on different layer, and now I'm gonna select all of this, paste, and then move it like so till it covers all of this. Wait. Ah, I copied the wrong layer there. There you go. Now it's the correct layer. There you go. Now I can shift this. Now I can merge this down, and there you go. All right. Next is this one. For this, I could just create new layer. Paint it black like so. Now in the main, let's select everything like so and paint it. Oh wait, there you go. Oh wait, something's wrong. Okay, I think using a new layer is better here. Yeah. Whoa. Okay, I need to redo it again. Oh wait, this is the wrong color here. No, it should be correct. There we go. I can merge this down. Okay, I used the wrong color here. So let's paint this. It should also go this other side. Nice. Okay, this one, you don't need to update that. Next to media player links. New layer. It's not that difficult, just look at it closer. Which one? You in the setting? The custom properties? Yeah, but people when like they first use the rig, you wouldn't know what TPT mean unless you like explain it in like a manual or something like that. But that's just me, you know, the way I like to set it up. There we go. Merge down. Next is this one. The Internet Explorer or the browser here. Yes, just mess around with it. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Still prefer that the naming is easier to understand, but yeah. If you want to set it like that, then oh, fine. I'm gonna manually paint the side here because that's easier to set up. At least for this one, because there's many different layers here. There we go. Merge it down. This is the easiest it can be. Too long will clutter the UI when you keep short. Yeah, because you put all of that in there, it's if the name is too long, it became even more difficult because it won't fit on a small sidebar or the rig UI. Oh, that's because on the wrong layer. keep forgetting that the shortcut is R and M for changing. That way I don't need to use the icon on the sidebar there. But I'll still use it. Reach down. There you go. And there you go. That should be all of the overlay I have. Now there's other overlays, but it's not here because this is a new file that I duplicate and clean up. So for the others, I need to add the old overlays first. But yeah, that should be all. So let's save this. All right. So with that's done, next thing I'm gonna do here is to, well, just play Hytale. So right now it's 8:34, so I wouldn't have much time to play here before I need to wash dishes, but I think I can make it. Just play a bit, wash the dishes, and then continue playing a bit more. Alright. Let's see if the overlay I made here works. First, I need to pause the background music. There we go. All right, you can hear the audio here, yeah? I'm gonna increase the gain here. Hopefully that's enough, but not too loud here. I'm gonna check my stream here for a bit. All right, test. Okay, nice. My audio's, yes, my mic audio is still louder than the game. Alrighty, let's play. So on last stream, no, not last stream. Wait, last stream? Yeah, on last stream, played Hytale a bit, but didn't do like a proper gameplay because I'm just trying out the game to see what it feels like. But now I'm gonna try to actually do survival. Alright, so I deleted that world I created. I can create a new one. Exploration mode, PvP, Ender's Realm. Let's just call that. Day-night cycle. Let's make it half because I want the day to be slower. Partial drop. Okay, this should be enough here. Apply setting. Create world. Really hoping that the dev could release adventure mode soon, but I'm not gonna push them because that's the thing that got me interested with Hytale, you know, to be able to play survival but have like quests in the game. Okay, new world. Let's see. Nice. Ooh, look at that. All right. Let's do a proper survival here. What's that? The hell are these? Peacocks? No, the tail is too small for peacocks. Doesn't look like turkey either. Oh yeah, I also just realized that I thought if when you want to break a tree, you need tools for that, but turns out you can just break a tree with your hand. It's just that it is much slower compared to like the ones in Minecraft, I think. But yeah, you can still break a tree with your hand. Oh, maybe because I got no. It seems like different trees has different hardness. Interesting. Oop, a bit of lag there. Now I need stones. Okay, there's a bunch of them here. First things first. Tools. Yeah. Or maybe that's just the visual. Hello, frog. 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 Wamak. Wamak. Nice. I think the thing that kind of annoying here is that the tree is here. It's not flush. There's this part on the ground with like the root system. So whenever I chop tree, you get these leftovers. I wonder if it's just single block. No, they're actually quite deep here. So yeah, if you want a clean ground, you need to chop maybe not all the roots, but just the top and then cover it with a dirt. Right? How do I make a workbench here? I need stone. Wait, there's stone here. Nope, that's not stone. I think this is gravel. This one should be stone. Yeah. Hey, mind your own business. Damn. Okay, maybe the axe isn't effective. It's an effective weapon here. Yeah, run away. Mind your own business. Okay, it's faster with the pickaxe. What did I tell you? Does the axe does no damage? Hey, don't chase me into the safe zone here. You shall not enter. Now get rid of this. What else? Can craft that sword so I can protect myself. Campfire. Just one. Put it there. I need hide for this one. Right? Okay, let's reorganize the bar there. Toolbar. Okay, first thing first, I need to go to the temple. Not that far. Whoa. Please don't crash. Okay. Mouse! It's so cute. Even the sound is cute. I love it. Fuck as well. Just don't get too close, otherwise they'll start biting. Grab a bunch of these berries. Not this one. We don't need a poppy. Okay, where's the entrance? Should be here. Yeah, there you go. Now I can grab this, and it's a consumable. But what's the effect? What? I can eat this? Oh boy. Okay, bad idea. Okay, need to be careful. I remember there's a column there. I think the devs need to make like this bigger enemy much more dangerous because whoa. I took it back. They are quite dangerous. But yeah, I wish that they are much more imposing. Because right now, I could just, you know, just hit and go back, hit, and go back. So yeah. Maybe make like their hair pull a bit bigger and bit faster, and I don't know, just want a bit more challenge there. Let me grab that because it's a really nice chest there. What is this? Nothing. Take all. think that's it here. 22 is to jump to portal. Bleh. Can we break this? No, there's protection there. Okay, how do I pick this? I see other people are able to pick this up. Maybe not this one. Okay. I wonder what each of these work in progress door be. Could there be like a what is it? Like give you portals to different worlds? I mean, if this is a hub, it kind of makes sense. Like you have the main world there, then you can go to the other worlds. Maybe it will also tie with the like the adventure mode thing, the quests. Fish. What is this? Meat pie. Recipe meat pie. Oh, nah, I'm not gonna steal that. I'm gonna grab all of the memories in the area here. I think that's it. Whoop. Wait. Okay, where I go next before I start building houses and something like that? I want to do a bit of exploring and find a suitable place to build the house. I don't want to go here, but it looks dangerous. Maybe I could go here instead. There's a sting here. Don't know what this is. Maybe a ruin? What kind of look like bones? So let's set it there. There you go. Ooh, cows. I wonder what they draw. No, actually, I don't want to kill them. because their families don't want to. Okay, game start lagging here. I do use like the highest setting here, I think. Where is it? Video. Yeah, the highest graphic setting. So makes it kind of slow, you know. Fox and a bear. Don't get too close. Quite close enough for me to get the memory. Oh. Oh. Huh. Right. Can enter here. No, you can still enter from the other side. Really wish that the barrels and crates drop stuff. Even small stuff. It is something. So breaking them makes it worth it. Okay, continue the journey. Oh, there's thunder. Okay, not the area I was looking for. Fence. Ooh, cool tree. What the hell is this? I think it's mud, something like that. Ooh, look at that. That's a sick looking flower. Ruins. Anything here? No. Can you climb this? Oh, you can. Okay, it's difficult to see here. Don't fall. Okay, nothing here. Oh, nothing there as well. How far am I? Oh, close. There we go. There we go. This is the area I went. Oh. Moose. Ah. There you go. Can attack me here. Oh, oh shit, it can. Ah! Right. Can we pick this up? Yellow mushroom shell. Can we eat this? Nah. I think these are decorative objects only. What about this? I don't know. Let's see what I does anything. Ooh, ice. Whoa. Right. Okay, this is a cool place here. Look at that. Oh ho ho. Yes. I'm definitely building my house here. I mean, the backdrop is this big forest here. Then you have this whole tundra area. Well, oh, the snake. Oh shit. There's a lot of damage. But yeah, I'm definitely staying here. Right now, let's just create a simple camp here. There we go. Okay, need to create stuff. Tanning effect. Okay, I need more plant fiber. Does this drop plant fiber? No, regular grass done. But this one? None. Ooh, snow. Wait, what's that? I better not get too close. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I need to find... Hello. We got fur. Here, what about this? Okay, this berry bushes does drop, but then I break them. I won't get any berries from them, but yeah. Let's see if there's another I can acquire. What's this? Ah, and break this with plant fiber. Ooh, gotta be careful there. There's another one of those. Don't want to get too close. Okay, there's a bunch of them there. He's like replanting. Okay, should be enough to make a bow here. Don't get too close. And just make a bunch of them. Wow. I thought 64 is the like max limit. Oh, oops, jeez. Max limit for like the stack. Oh. Oh, that was close. Okay, better store my stuff here or get destroyed if I accidentally die. And it's there. Oh, not this one. Okay, it's full. Okay. Now I need to go mining to find a good place to mine. Don't want to just dig a hole. Nice arch. Like a road generation there. It's really cool. Oh, snake. Oh, shit, there's many of them. Oh, like. Okay. This hole. Oh, they're following me. Nice. Give me those. Oh boy. No, I cannot mine here. The drop is just too steep. This one I could. Chill. It's kind of like vintage story here. Have different types of rocks. It's not just the same rock. Yeah, basalt, shell. There we go. Whoa, the fog is crazy. Blue common mushroom. Is this edible? I don't know. What is this? Green stuff. Blue moss. I just drop it right now. Ooh, there's more. There we go. Ah. I like it makes a nice clink sound when you hit it. Right. Whoa. Oh, also, the ore glints there. You can see here, they're like glowing. Rat. Ooh, look at this. Frost skill. You friendly? Doesn't seem friendly. Oh, no, looks scary. I don't want to get into water. Okay, this cave is deep. I need to be careful, otherwise I won't be able to go out. What's that? Iron. Unfortunately, it's too high for me. Wait, I do have blocks with me. There you go. A bit more should be able. Start mining these. Quite rich there. Hi Prismarine, hi Sentush, welcome to the stream. How your day? Maybe it's how are you day? Yeah, doing great. What about you? I hope your day is great as well. Just finished working on some projects and now just chilling, playing Hytale. I wonder, I haven't seen any coal ore, so how do we get those? Because all I'm seeing is copper and iron. I haven't seen any coal. Maybe there is no coal ore. Oh, she's surprised me. You built house at the snow. My PC fucked up. I miss your stream. No problem. Okay. Should be the house at the snow. Yeah, I plan to build house later once I got enough resources. Okay, let's go back. I think I have enough ore for now. Actually, let's mine a bit more. Ore. Bit more copper. Oh. Enemies. Okay, it's getting more dangerous here. We better get out. Unfortunately, I don't remember where the exit is. Shit. Well, better mine a bit more. Right, the snow hill over there. Which one? We're underground here in a snowy biome, so it's a lot of ice. Oh, better be careful there. Okay, where the hell is the exit? I'm lost. Oh no. Where's the exit? Oh, almost fell down. Ooh. Oh shit, that's bad. Gotta eat. But not good. Oh no, I don't remember what the exit is. Oh no, I'm lost. Wait, is this? No, wait. I think I'm safe here. Or maybe not. I don't think this is the correct pool. Oh boy. There's so much iron though. Let's mine this first. I really should have put some torches so I know where the exit is. I think I should have enough iron here for whatever I'm gonna be doing. Oh. The ice is very slippery. I don't think this is the exit. No, this is another part of the cave. No, not this one. Oh, the hell is this? Is this gold? No, it's cobalt. Interesting. But that's not what I want. I want to get out of here. Maybe up here? There's light from here, so maybe this is the exit, or at least I could use this as the exit. Oh. Yep, here we go. What are you? So cute. Mothron? It's like a mini version of a deer. Or a goat? Like a mixture of deer and goat. Okay, where's my camp? Oh yeah, over there. Going all the way here. There's no coal in this game. Ah. Then I wonder, how do I get coal then? Am I stuck with like burning with wood? Maybe that's why I see on Twitter someone asked if they could make charcoal with the wood. Like ask Simon to add that. So when you can create charcoal from wood. Okay, bear, be careful. There you go, there's my camp. Oh, we got this guy. How the hell did I miss that? Alright. Like here. Oh wait, that's charcoal. Ah. Yeah, there's no coal. I was wondering, how the hell I get coal when I can't find coal? It turns out the one I pick up is charcoal. Alright then, time to cook. I think I'm gonna cook these first, and then for fuel I'm gonna use this charcoal. Hold on though. Does that mean I could? No, I can't. Now whatever. Turn on. Whoa. It vibrates. Like the chimney here. Kinda look weird though. I wish it stays static. I want you to build a house where the trees were the snow. You can see the trees there. Yeah, so I'm planning to build our house like somewhere around here. Especially because the scenery here is amazing here. I mean, just look at that. Got the whole forest area here, the tundra. There's this like bone here, like fossils, and I got the big trees here. It's really cool. But right now I'm just collecting resources for. I wonder if I can cook both. Oh, I can. Do we get both? No, we cannot. But maybe we could like okay, I think it can only smelt one thing at a time. Okay, I'm gonna smelt all the copper first. Okay, what can we make with these? Can make better tools. But what I really want is armor. So I'm gonna need this. Oh, oops. There we go. Right. Let's start with the simplest one. Copper armor. There you go. Ah, okay, that's interesting. So when you burn with wood, you could also get charcoal as the output. Interesting. wherever you call it, the tundra. Should you go there and look? Yeah, I'm gonna prep a few things first before I'm gonna do a bit of more exploration. Okay, I need more wood. What? I think that's all the wood I have. Yeah, that's all the wood I have. I need to get more. First, I'm gonna craft this. Oh, it removes my suit. All right. What can I cook with this? Wait, no, I cannot cook right now because I don't have any fuel. Okay, let's cut some trees. I don't want to cut the trees around me because I don't want to break the scenery. So I'm gonna cut somewhere else, and also maybe cut like this dead tree here. There's a lot of wood. Hold on. Oh, I just realized right now it's 9:25. So I'm gonna need to wash the dishes. Wash the dishes soon. But I'm gonna cut this tree first. There you go. A lot of wood. I really want to see over there. Might be a good place there. Like so, explore. Oh, where? The bones? Oh, there's that thing as well. Well, hold on. I'm gonna need to chop all of this wood first. Damn, look at that. So many wood. Even the one on the ground. Makes you wonder, like how big are the root system with this one. Okay, that should be all here. I'm gonna cap this one over here. Maybe not. Gonna chop one layer down. Oh. Snow hill where the trees are. I want to build house there. Just having trees around your house makes it feel nice. Yeah, I want to build my house somewhere over here so I have the backdrop of these big trees. And then right in front of the house, like you have like these like large forests of spruce there. Okay, I wonder what got here. There's this thing. Oh wait, this is the Outlander pose. Not just that, I think it's a quarry. Yeah, I think it's a quarry. Like where they mine stones. Oh, I aggro them. Get away. Like I want to build my house somewhere over here. Like maybe there because there's a large area here. So the backdrop is this big forest of tree here, like big trees here. And we have all of these. Okay. Can I place this? Like the torches? Okay, you can take one, put it here. Then the rest could be over there. There you go. So it wouldn't be too dark here around the camp. Okay, now I can continue cooking the copper here. And the next one should be the iron. I need 9. That's quite a lot. I don't think I have enough here. Enough copper. I need to mine some more. But I do have a lot of iron. Whoa. What do I need? I need 30 to upgrade my workbench. I wonder if I can cook this. Oh, I can. Can we do this? What do I get? Interesting. Here, where's my iron? Okay, so we can eat this, but it needs to be cooked. You really need to put it on the like info here. Like here it doesn't show that it is consumable, but it should say no, be like cookable or something like that. Like you can eat this, but not directly. You need to cook them first. By adding that, the player can easily know like, oh, I can use this. Instead, if it said nothing like this, it's like, oh, it is useless, just throw it away or just not picking them. Not until like the experiment of the game figure out like I just did. where it turns out you can cook them. Oh, can do that. Trees over there. Where you look at the snow hill thing. Can you explore there a bit? Snow hill. What? This one? The arch? Oh, careful, there's a bear. I didn't do anything. Oh, there you go. You can't catch me here. Oh. Damn. Got a lot of health. Don't run away from me. Ooh. That's so much health. Take this. Even that. There you go. Finally. No, behind you. If you look at the snow from your camp, slightly to your left. No, camp slightly to the left. All right, here. Slightly to the left. You mean this area? Or you mean the mountains over there? Or the one where the bone is? Yes, which one? The large area here? The mountains or the bones? Okay, let's heal a bit there before it's done. Ooh, heavy hide. The large area where the mountain are. Ah, this area. Alright. Gonna check them, well, after I sleep here. Wait, what? I can't sleep? I heard something. Oh. Can't sleep yet. It's still too early. Foggy mountains. Not that mountain area there. Okay, how long? The one where there are many trees. Ah, this area. Okay, after I sleep. After I sleep, then I can do a bit of exploration. Wonder what this is used for. The essence of life. I have a bunch here. Okay, there's something here. A camp of some sort. My guess is those are the outlanders. Oh, I can make shield. This will be useful. But oh, I don't have any tree trunks. So let me grab just one. Should be able to craft this now. There you go. There you go. Now I have a shield. This should give me better blocking. Alright. That's all the stuff that I can. Wow. Can cook. I should be able to sleep right now. What? Okay, it's still too early. 7 minutes. Alright. What should I do here? Wait, can I craft something out of iron? Okay, I don't have light leather. I need to have those. For copper, I need more copper. Why not do a bit of mining here? I need to return to where I was mining. Over there. Just look for a bit more copper. And maybe I need to craft more of these. No, it's too late. Just need to make sure I remember where I'm coming from. Rat. I have a feeling that will be nice to build over there, snow cabin. Yeah, so I was planning to build something like let me open it in Firefox here. So I saw this on Twitter when Simon asked people to show their builds. I want to create something like this here, like a small house here with a tower. Like imagine that. There's also other build here that will be good for inspiration. Like this is quite cool. And there's this one as well. This one is really cool. We hit with the roof here. There's also this one that Simon posted, or maybe someone else from my Hypixel Studio. So yeah, really want to build this, but that will be later once I got all the resources I need. I mean, I need a lot of stones here, then wood as well. Looks nice. Snow medieval house cabin. Yeah. All right, back to Hytale. I need more copper. Good thing the pickaxes have a lot of reach here. Somehow the block got stuck there. Oh, the ice is so slippery. Oh, that's weird. Like the torch is still lit up underwater, but in Minecraft it's also the same. So yeah, video game logic. Ooh. Yeah, the effectiveness is dropped like so much here. I wonder if it breaks. Like, if I keep using this, will it break? Or we just stay in this like broken broken status. Oh, I just realized this. There's lore. Wow. Like, there's some additional information here. Like, it's a Dark Souls item. Okay, can still use this, but mining is gonna be so much lower. But I do have some iron, so I can make better pickaxe later. Right now I'm just gonna grab a few more copper. Okay, let's see. 24, that should be enough for me to finish. Oh, get away. Enough for me to finish the copper armor set. Okay, where's the exit? There should be a way to climb from here. There you go. Oh, careful. Rats. There you go. What's this? Copper. Interesting. Ooh. So the limit isn't 64 for like stones. So. Right, can I sleep now? Okay, I can. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna I think he doesn't watch dishes. No, I was too absorbed with the game. Gonna watch dishes now. And I'll be back shortly. Alright, where is that overlay? Oh. There you go. I'll be right back. Let me turn on the background music again. There you go. Alright, I'm back. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, it's gonna take a while, so why not do a little exploration? Piglet. Okay, I want to check this one first. Good thing there's no hunger because I'm doing a lot of running. I'm doing running. Yeah. He jump scared me. Okay. Oh, might as well break these. I could get some plant fibers. Wow, very unlucky. Only got one. Need to be careful because last time I remember this guy, oh, quite strong. So let's stay away from them. Okay, another quarry here. Yep. Ooh, careful. Okay, let's explore the snowy area here. Ooh, snow. That beautiful. Oh wait, I need to mark my camp first. Where is it? Oh, there's already a marker. Look at that. Got the godlight there, the polymetric. Really cool. Well, as you can see, there's not much going on here. Just endless plain of snow. Ooh, what's this? Yeah, as you can see here, there's not much. Ooh, polar bear. The Everfrost. Okay, there's something over there. Guess another Outlander post. Then there's this thing. I'm guessing it's like some kind of glacier area. Yeah. Endless ice. Ooh, that was so close. The hell is this? Really deep cave. And yeah, you can see here the tree have a root system. They're quite deep. Wolf? What are you? Snow leopard. Okay, out of energy. Nox. Oh, it's a bison. Not a Nox. Who are these? I don't know what these are. Huh. Interesting. Ooh, copper. But my pickaxe is broken. Okay, so these are not camps that I thought it would be. Just some glowing plants. What are the green trees over there? Oh, this area? Sure, we can explore a bit there. Shouldn't be much there. Just tundra. Oh, penguin! Note, note! Note, note! Just one? Oh, you're here alone. Kind of like that penguin from Super Mario 64. Okay, where am I? What's that? Ooh, more of this guy. I wanna get your memories. Ouch. It actually hit me. There we go. Yeah, it's not much. Just trees and stones. Ooh, pumpkin. I need more plant fibers. Okay, I can pick up these mushrooms. It sucks that these plants doesn't drop any plant fibers. Like randomly drop. Oh, careful. Robot displays small spikes when we're passes. Spikes? Don't see any spikes. Do you mean this? Where this is just ice, like the others? Ooh. Okay, there's a bit of bug with the water here. Ooh, what's this? Snapjaw. Yep, they're bug. Wonder if it drops anything. Ooh, look at that. There are plants underwater. Cool. Azure cap mushroom. Interesting. I wonder if we cook it. Okay, it's a dead end. And the lighting looks amazing. Like the color blending with the natural light. Go back to where it came from. These? No, those are just trees. Oh, snakes. Where? I don't see anything. You mean those? Those are trees, not spikes. Oh, there's wood. Okay. There should be a way to go up there. Or if not, I could just climb. There you go. Chest. Ooh, nice. Okay, kind of a better view here of the area. If only there's a spyglass or telescope item you can craft. That way you can easily see the area. Okay. Okay, interesting. There we go. Essence of ice. Interesting. Maybe these things are used for crafting magic stuff. Or maybe it was like the thing used to cast magic, like mana. That would be interesting. Like you need to have these to do magic. Ooh, bunch of mushroom. But yeah, as you can see, there's not much going on here. Just forest and forest and forest. I know there's nothing else here that is interesting. Ooh, we go here and go to the volcano. Nice. But anyway, I'm going back to the camp. Okay, where's the camp? Over there. I need more plant fibers. Oh, this one drop plant fibers. But the drop rate is just terrible. But this one much better. Ooh, better run. What about this place? I mean this one? Oh. And the screenshot. The map you were before. This one? Okay, I'll go here then. careful. Bear. Fish. Salmon. Nice. I like salmon. They're delicious. Careful. There. The wind sun is amazing here. I like it. Okay, I'm here. Okay, what's interesting? There's nothing here. If you mean this, then these are just stone monolith. Nothing interesting. Just part of the world generation. Besides that, there's nothing else. The snow. It can make me feel freezing here. Can build the base here. I don't know. It just feels too barren for me. Like, it's just snow here. Nothing interesting. Well, there's this mountain, but yeah, don't think so. I prefer building it somewhere over here. Right, let's go back. Ooh, owl. What? Wait, are they just flying in circles? They really need to improve the AI there, so the birds doesn't just fly around in circles, that they have like directions to go. You pass it again? What? Pass what? There's nothing interesting there. Pool of water. Water. Right now, let's just go back to the base and complete our armor set. It's still cooking. Maybe it stopped cooking once it got out of the render distance. Is that cookable? No. But it's a nice decoration. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it lagged there. Cooked wild meat. Interesting. Boom powder. ice log. Interesting. Shadow weave scraps. Huh. Didn't remember picking that up. Complex and decrease, and there you go, full copper set. Now I just need better tools. I need leather for those. So there's no sword. You can make a sword with this. Or maybe it needs to be like a higher level for me to make sword. Like a metal sword. Or maybe I need a blacksmith. Ah, all right. I need a blacksmith. This blacksmith workshop. I need to upgrade this. I need more copper. Okay, let's build what we need the most first. Tools. There you go. Now I can mine more. Ah. It would be nice to build a cabin there, but you passed it. Still want to build it somewhere over here. Okay. I need to create torches. Like a lot of torches. That way I know where the way back home is during mining. Alright. Put it there. Put it there. Over here. Since this doesn't get affected by water, I could just use it underwater like so. Just gonna continue mining for a bit here, so I have enough resources to upgrade the workbench. That sound like Waluigi. Nice. Send it somewhere around the trees and the monolith. That when I want to build the base there. Ah, yeah. Well, I think about it. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm stuck here. No, it's too far. Wasn't going. Okay, a lot of ore here. Okay. It should be enough for me to upgrade the workbench. What's this? It's blue. Okay, I cannot go down there. So otherwise I'll get stuck. Ooh, there's the head part. I think maybe some kind of mammoth, something like that. But then why here? In a cave. I think that's enough mining for now. This fish always gets stuck here. Alright, let's go back home. No. Another one of those pitch bot. Expired and not posted in chat. Okay, so it's just here. Fan user. And where is it? Nah, just keep it. It is banned now. So it won't be coming and stream again. Hopefully. I have a bunch of these charcoal, so I might as well use it. Oh, this one's already grilled. Oh, the microphone didn't pick my voice. Right, there we go. Should pick all of my voice now. there? What is this? Azure log. What the hell is azure log? Wait, hold on. There's azure cap mushroom. So there must be azure trees somewhere. I wonder what this one is. Doesn't seem like it. Okay, this one. Why not? Ah. Well, it's kind of useless then. At least for right now for me. Because I don't need that. A bucket, watering can, a hole. Ah. So these what are the essence of life used for. Oh. Okay, what else? Sapling. Ah. That's where we can get sapling as well. Oh. You can stack it. Interesting. So much stuff you can make. Why not? Okay, what can we do with these? Not much. Okay. I have this. Don't have this one. I have this. Don't have this one just yet. Okay. Alrighty. I think that's about it for today. Next up, I will have to gather a bunch of materials to start building the house, and of course a bit more mining, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we'll need to gather materials, start building the house. When we'll build the house there? Well, next stream, obviously, not now, or maybe off stream. But yeah, I will need to gather a lot of material for this, logs especially. So don't have to worry about that because there's a bunch of trees around me. But then yeah, anyway, I'm gonna have to end the stream here for today. And as usual, I will stream again at Saturday. If there's no issue. Get the material off stream, build on stream. Yeah, I will gather material off stream and then start building on stream. And it will also give me some time to like plan out what kind of house I want to build. But anyway, gonna end it here and see you again next time. Bye.